My name is Shane Mooney and I'm here at Ziering Aesthetics today. I'm here having my fourth EMSCULPT treatment and I'm just trying to tackle that dad bod. Los Angeles is a big town and there's a lot of doctors here, as you say, but it actually becomes quite small in terms of the excellent doctors, the brilliant doctors, the doctors with the finest and highest reputation, and Dr. Ziering certainly falls into that category. Obviously my wife knows me intimately, we have the baby to prove it, and she's like, wow, there's a really big difference, more even than I would have noticed in myself. Sometimes when you're looking at your own body every single day, you don't notice the difference until you kind of look back to the start of the treatment. But my wife is like, wow, there's a big difference. So much so that last treatment that I had a couple of nights ago, my wife was like, please can I come, please can I come? So I took her in with me and we did the treatment together. The beauty of EMSCULPT is that it has two pads and it allows you and another person to work the same area simultaneously. So within a half-hour time frame, you and somebody else can come and utilize that time, which is really excellent. My wife and I are busy and we have the baby, and we came in here last night, and by the time we parked the car, had the treatment, and left, it was all within 45 minutes, and that type of convenience is invaluable.